Hi all, welcome to our channel. This video regarding for anyone purchasing domain. That is called you can purchase for best price or anything. After purchasing a domain or 1 or 2 years, what is the renewal policy will be followed for each and every website? For example, I can go to the GoDaddy option. This I have to renew this particular domain. For example, click for renewal option. When click for renewal option, they can go to the domain structure. So it expired by almost till February 25th. Now is the domain will be not working properly. Why? Because the domain already expired from the more than 1 week. So that is called is that they give exemption will be up to 5 days. Now click for add to cart. When click to add to cart, your domain cost will be 2 years 2048. 1 year will be, you can check it out, 1099. So add to cart. That is we can go to in the continue cart option. We have multiple options are here. Payment time, I'm ready to payment here. Net banking, along with tax for 1 year, 1312. And 2 years, we can check from here, 2448. Suppose we can go for 1 year. We can check for 1312.54 into 2 years is a 2652 minus 2448. So if you have saved for 177 rupees, you can purchase in for 2 years also. We can go to 3 years. This will be 3937.61 divided by 3 years. It is almost 1312. So 1 year. 1312.54. Same, we can purchase it for 3 years. There will be same price. But only for 2 years, you will be saved for 173 rupees. So that depend on you can purchasing for domain will be maybe 1 year, maybe 2 years as your concert wise. So you can click for continue to this option. There are multiple payment options. Will be multiple payment options. So this will be SBI option, everything. So not only for this. So this will be going to cancel. So when some payment will be done, they will cancel. I have to changing for another procedure. Same renewal. Payment step, they will go right from SBI. We can changing for multiple options are here that you can select from their option. Renewal this future. 1 year. I'm ready. Now click here. There is a multiple options, net banking and the State Bank of India, and we can go to your payment option. Number of options are there. We can go to any kind of credit card, debit card we can use and click to the review order. Just I'm selecting payment procedure. So I'm selecting the payment procedure. Everything will be done. I'm not selecting for auto renewal option. Click for continue. If you are already discussed in 2 years, you have to check from the here 2448 is the particular budget. The 1 year here, but can go to for in a specific time zone, and my domain will be only 1 year purpose or anything. We can go to purchase will be 1 year purpose. Go to this option and payment process will be finished. Give me the seconds. So payment process will be done. The payment will be successfully done by your GoDaddy account. So we can go to here. This will be done by your proper domain renewal here. Once renewal this domain, it takes some time to show your particular website. So this right now is that this website not working. After few seconds or few hours, the domain will renewal will finish. They will be go to purchase this option. Any renewal time Also, any new time will be purchase any domain. The condition is called, always remember, any particular domain renewal and anything particular times. That is only for 1 year, 2 years, or 3 years, 5 years, 10 years. Only 5 time option will be available. But this domain, they give 1, 2, 3, 5 years. So they will give only option. So now I'm writing here 1, 2, 3, 5 years. So this is the option we have to renewal time up to 5 years will be give the permission. Any domain purchase time up to 10 years, but renewal time, what the condition will be changed up to 1, 2, 3, 5 years will be available in the particular domain option. So anyone renewal your particular domain, they will be possible 1, 2, 3, 5. There is a new appearance call, they're not accepting for 10 years. So those are the conditions we can follow and renewal your domains, particular GoDaddy, Big Rock, Google domain, anything depend on your option. So don't, sir, once you purchase domain, can changing for other domain sector, we can change. But pricing will be does not different from the other domain to your domain option. So those steps we can follow, renewal your particular domain to live your website purpose. If you have any question about the domain renewal and any options, can feel free to ask the question here. I definitely will be support from any particular domain purchasing and renewal procedure. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.